behind me are clear live visuals of mining activities going on.
Right now, I'll show you the situation because it is caught on our camera. As you can see, there are 3 trucks. When we came here, when Republic came.
Right now, we are present in the Sirohi district and near the Silwada Dam.
This is the Aravalli range in Tosham area, and this is the Dadam area.
Republic is here at Sawalpura, Taranpur in Sikra, Rajasthan. As we know that recently the Supreme Court has accepted the new definition of the Aravalli range, where any mountain which is under the height of 100 meters will not be considered as a part of Aravalli range. Now, what will be the repercussions of it? Any mountain which is not considered a part of Aravalli range will be open to construction, will be open to mining, and this Aravalli range, which is more than 2.5 billion years old, also the lungs of the Delhi NCR, protects Delhi NCR from heat wave, from dust, and from letting the situation get even worse.
This judgment, delivered by former Chief Justice B.R. Gavai, just 2 days before his retirement, numerical threshold for a geological system that stretches nearly 700 kilometers across northwest India.
पर मैं बिल्कुल स्पष्ट रूप से बता रहा हूं 0.19% से ज्यादा में हो ही नहीं पाएगा.
The assurance is clear. Mining, the government says, will remain regulated. But as the Republic's investigative team found on the ground, even before the new definition takes effect, illegal mining is already entrenched.
Well, we are at Pawana Ahir, which is a very secluded village at Rajasthan, and till now we have covered around 3 villages, and one thing has been common, that is illegal mining all throughout the Aravalli Hills. And right now I'll show you the situation because it is caught on our camera. As you can see, there are 3 trucks. When we came here, when Republic came here, this was a well-lit area. Mining was going on, and as per the DGMC order, which is Directorate General of Mine Safety, DGMS's order, no mining is allowed post sunset. So the allowed time period is between sunrise to sunset. But we reached here around half an hour ago, and this entire area I am showing you, which is pitch dark right now, this was completely well lit. There you can see there are 3 trucks who are functioning, who are carrying out the mining, illegal mining of that sorts. And the moment they saw us arriving, they started turning off the lights one by one. All these trucks who were working, they became stationary, and now this entire area, which was very well lit just 15 minutes ago, is completely pitch black. Now, even if you see, we'll also show you just a few meters ahead from us, a small light. That is the only light which is still there, which is not even 2% of the light, how well lit this area was. And that is where this entire area, there was mining going on against the law, against the order. And after being reminded n number of times, they still continue to do this. And this has been a common practice in all the villages that we have covered till now.
We are here at the illegal mining site in Gudana. This mining site is excavating stones and is one of the primary suppliers of Delhi Metro as well. They have been supplying stone from this mine to Delhi Metro and constructing a lot of things.
के जी हमारे ये में अरावली है जी, इस पार्ट में 87 बीघा 3 विश्वा है, खसरा नंबर 1 है. इसमें 57,200 पौधे लगे हैं और मैंने डीसी के कम से कम 10 दरखास्त दे रखी है. हर महीने दरखास्त देता हूँ, ग्रीवेंस की भी देता हूँ. डीसी ने कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की. वो पता नहीं वो एप्लीकेशन कहाँ जमा होती है. हमारी कोई सुनाई नहीं हो रही. हमारे गांव के 16 कुआं फैल हो रहे हैं और हमारे गांव में 10-12 मकानों में पड़ भी गए, दरार भी आ रहे हैं. और इतनी ब्लास्टिंग करते हैं. अभी यहाँ की नील गाय है, उनका गर्भपात भी खत्म हो जाता है. हमारे पशु चढ़ते हैं, उनको भी खतरा है. और दूसरी बात यह है कि दिन रात इतनी प्रदूषण होता है कि बच्चों का पढ़ाई में नुकसान होता है। हमारे गांव यहाँ से 700 मीटर है, यहाँ देख लो, जहाँ पूरा गांव दिखता है, कोई नुकसान, इतना नुकसान होता है, फसल में भी नुकसान हो रहा है। आप देख लो फसल में कितना गर्दा जम रहा है।
हमने जी मेरा नाम तो भी 7 साल हो गया दरखास्त हिंदी आनी। हर 6 महीना में एक बार एडीसी के मेरे पास नोटिस आता है, भैया आप अपना सबूत सहित फलाने टाइम दादरी हाजिर हो जाओ। हमने माइनिंग वाले बुला रखे हैं, अधिकारी बुला रखे हैं, मेरे को बुला लेते हैं, फिर वहाँ जाता हूँ, कोई सुनाई नहीं होती। हमने पैमाश करी, लाखों रुपये लगाए, यहाँ पर गांव ने धरना दिया, बड़ी भारी भयंकर मी और आंधी तूफान में हमारा एक आदमी मर भी गया था यहाँ। और बार बार बिजली को हमने दे दी, लोकायुक्त में हमने लगा ली, डीसी का हमने लगा ली, खनन विभाग का हमने लगा ली, खनन मंत्री का हमने लगा ली, लेकिन हमारी कोई सुनाई को नहीं हो।
It is not just Kotputli, it is also the neighboring villages who we've tried reaching out to come share their story with us, and there were hundreds of people here with us who were sharing their story, sharing their version, how this illegal mining, even before this acceptance of the new definition by the Supreme Court, has been troubling their lives, has hugely impacted their lives. And even on this right now, I can show you, we are just near the residential area of this mining, and as per law, any blast site should be at least at a distance of around 500 meters or 1500 meters. But we are just at a mere distance of around 82 meters from the blast site. And few of the houses here, like this one, is just at a distance of 42 feet. So people here are struggling. They have serious health issues. They're having trouble breathing. Their crops that they have grown, they have around 1 inches to 2 inches deep cement deposited on all of them. And we've also seen that because of the blast, because of the impact of the blast, and we'll also show you just a very small example of how this is affecting. Now this is just, we can show you, it is around 1 inch deep cement which is deposited on these trees nearby, and we'll also show you the cracks on the houses because the blast that they actually use in this cement mining, illegal cement mining that they're actually undertaken here. There are cracks in the house. We'll show you in all of the houses. That is what we've been documenting. These are all the cracks in the house because of the impact of those blasts.
They have been talking to the DC, they have talked to the mining minister, they have talked to the mining officer, but nobody is willing to listen to them. This illegal mining in this village has been causing cancer. It has been leaching into the waters and have reduced their water supply. Now this entire village has protested against this illegal mining that's happening here in Charkhi Dadri, but nobody is willing to listen. They also allege that a lot of the money has been paid to the DC and other officials to look the other way.
In Rajasthan's Sirohi district, 4 gram panchayats, Bharja, Rohida, Vatera, Bhimana and 12 villages have come together to oppose an 800-hectare mining project proposed by the Kamlesh Mehta Mining Company, a project valued at 1700 crore rupees, a project that villagers say could erase their homes, their fields and their way of life.
हम सुंदर देवी प्रजापत हैं सर जी। हमारे ये खनन विभाग से जो मकान जाने का है, इससे हम क्या करेंगे सर? हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे 20 साल से हम मजदूरी कर रहे थे, साल भर की मजदूरी हमने सब लगा दी इसमें। अब हमारे मकान जाएंगे, हम कहाँ जाएंगे बच्चों को लेके? क्या करेंगे? हमारी कोई इसमें कोई सुनवाई हो रही नहीं है, कोई कार्रवाई हो रही नहीं है सर। हम कहाँ जाएंगे, कहाँ भाग दौड़ करेंगे?
आपको कब पता चला कि ये प्रोजेक्ट साइन हुआ है और आपका घर जाने वाला?
मालूम है, 2 महीने से पता चला है मैडम जी। कहाँ जाएंगे बच्चे लेके? हमारा कोई ना कोई इसका निर्णय करो, कोई ना कोई हमारा सोल्यूशन करो।
Villagers alleged agricultural land has been classified as barren. They say permissions were signed without their consent. Locals say our agricultural land that we depend on has been classified as barren to lease it for mining. Documents accessed by Sorali show that the land identified for the Kamlesh Mehta Mining Company project includes hundreds of khasra numbers officially recorded as private agricultural land. These entries do not describe barren or wasteland. They are revenue records of cultivated fields. Under the law, such land cannot be diverted without informed consent. Yet Gram Sabha records show villagers repeatedly objecting to the Kamlesh metamining proposal. Despite these objections, official land acquisition proceedings moved forward. This document from the District Collector's Office in Sirohi details administrative approvals linked to land acquisition for Kamlesh Metamining Company. As you can see on the screen, the conceptual mining plan lays out the scale, vast excavation zones, infrastructure and industrial expansion cutting deep into a living village landscape. Repeated queries to authorities have been met with templated responses.
So this is not a new thing. This project started in 2011. You were also there. You have heard everything. And these pattas were rejected by the government. And then that order was taken by the company to the court. And the court, the government has put their views on it. And we, unfortunately, जो आदेश था इन पट्टों को निरस्त करने का वो स्टैंड नहीं कर पाया. उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट भी आगे गई. इसको पूरा राज्य सरकार ने शुरू से इसके विरोध में रही, पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में क्योंकि इनकी मेटा कार्ड की तरफ आदेश हो गए थे, इस वजह से इनका प्रोसेस आगे स्टार्ट हुआ है. पर जैसा कि आप देख ही रहे हैं कि जनता में बहुत असंतुष्टि है और इनकी जो जन सुनवाई हुई थी उसमें भी इसके बारे में बहुत कुछ कहा गया था.
By this point, our reporting had already documented violations across multiple mining sites in Rajasthan. The investigation had moved beyond one village and one operator, Mahindra Goyal.
रूल बुक बहुत मोटी है. रूल बुक बहुत मोटी है. हमारे यहाँ तो महेंद्र गोयल जो है प्रभावशाली है, तो उसके लिए अलग रूल्स हैं, जनरल आदमी उसके लिए अलग रूल्स हैं.
As the team prepared to leave, he insisted we take this envelope, an envelope with cash, a clear attempt to bribe the Republic team.
नहीं सर,
बस आप हमसे छोटी हैं, बड़े भाई के नाते जो है ना, आप आइए, आप छोटा सा उपहार.
मैं सब
क्या बताओ, छोटा सा उपहार है या आपके?
नहीं सर,
अरे ये क्या?
अरे नहीं सर, बिल्कुल मैं समझ रही हूँ. मैं सिर्फ आपसे जानकारी लेने आई.
नहीं वो आपकी बहुत अटपल है. मेरे से मैंने ये भी आपसे निवेदन किया कि कभी भी आपको मेरे सिस्टम से संबंधित किसी भी प्रकार के आप जानकारी चाहिए तो आप कभी भी 24 घंटे मुझे आप कॉल कर सकती हो. मैं जो भी उपलब्ध होगा आपको जानकारी. लेकिन ये आपको आप ट्रैवलिंग में देखो आप बहुत खर्चे हो रहे हैं.
सर मैं समझ रही हूँ और फिर मुझे वो मिलता है इतना तो
नहीं मिलता है, तो इसमें क्या छोटा सा उपहार है, कोई नहीं. इसको भाई की तरफ से गिफ्ट मान के रख लो. इसको अच्छा
आशीर्वाद दे दीजिए, आपका काफी है.
नहीं आप भाई की तरफ मान के इसको रखो.
नहीं बिल्कुल आप रखिए, आप बिल्कुल रखिए. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. थैंक यू.
From Kotputli to Alwar, from Lalawandi to Sikar, from Charki to Dadri to Sirohi, the Aravalis bear witness to what happens when rules are bent and communities are pushed to the edge. Our team witnessed it all. Mining beyond sanctioned areas, residential zones at risk, and even attempts to bribe reporters exposed on camera. Publics, the Aravali files show protecting them requires more than laws on paper. It requires action on the ground.